Welcome to Regency Holidays video tutorial on how to register to our B2B portal. To get started, visit www.b2b.regencyholidays.com and click on Register. Now, let's fill in the required company details. Company name. Enter your company name. Legal name. Input the legal name of your company as it appears in the registration document. Currency. Please select USD as your currency. VAT ID or CR. Enter your company registration number or VAT ID, whichever is applicable. Company email ID. Provide the email address you'd like to use for login. You will receive OTPs at this email, so ensure it's accessible. Address. Fill in the address according to your company registration document. Country, city, and zip code. Make sure to update these fields. To create your user account, enter your first and last names, along with your mobile number, including the international code, and re-enter your email address. Next, accept the terms and conditions by clicking the box and click on Register. After registration, you will receive a confirmation email with a link to reset your password. Once you've reset your password, you're ready to start using our B2B portal.